Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video, we are going to review the things that you can also contribute by yourself and add to this Laravel inventory management system that we are contributing to. And we have added a lot of stuff into it, and it's time to show you or identify the things that you can also add. And this is going to be the last video of this series. So let's just log into it. Okay, so why is still this we still have I logged in with with the admin account, and let's see, it's weird that we still see 5 products in this table, but I seeded the database. Oh, maybe that's why 5 categories in 5 products. Anyway, so okay, these are the products that we seeded. Okay, so let's start with the things that you can also add into this Laravel inventory management system and put your hands on and try adding them. So first of all, you can see the setting. You can create like a setting migration or a table where this is going to be like basic guidelines on what can be added. Okay, so since this is a multi-user application, right, now multiple users can join this application and add their products, categories, quotations, and each and everything is going to be for each user, right? So we can create an admin panel where administrators can manage this these orders, these purchases, and all these things. And we can also make the settings dynamic, like this logo is going to be dynamic. It's going to be loaded from admin panel, and the same for the putter things, and the same for also this notification thing. I don't think we have added notifications to this. Is it even needed here? I don't know, but if you want, you can keep it, and otherwise you can remove it. And here on this side, you can see on this dashboard we can add charts, right? There is a JS library for charts. You can try that and adding that right here. And also you can like ask GPT like what are the things that I can add to this Laravel inventory management system, and it has currently these features. So if I ask ChatGPT, let's see what it shows us. Let's say, okay, so give me all the possible features of inventory management system, and then we are giving some context to ChatGPT, like building this in Laravel. We already have built it, we already have contributed into it in this playlist, but just to like give the ChatGPT an idea like what's going on here. So you can see we got the authentication, we already have added that authorization. User should have a specific permission, like if we add admin panel to this, with suggesting you guys to add admin panel to this. Authorization would be like administrators should be able to manage all the things, but users should not be able to manage the administrative stuff like settings, etc. And then we have dashboard. You can see we can add graphs and charts, and then we have product management. We already have that. Inventory tracking, real-time inventory updates. Yeah, we can like add emails, we can add notifications, as mentioned earlier, like you got this notification, like this product is shipped, this product is completed, etc. And then we have sell orders. I think when adding a customer, if we have email, we can email them. If we have phone number, we can send him a message, and that can be via maybe Twilio API or something like that. Then we have stock adjustment, report analysis. As mentioned earlier, we can have like export and import parts of them. We already have it, and you can improve that as well. Multi warehouse support. I think it already have the multi-store thing, I guess. Then audit trial, I don't know what that is. Alerts and notifications, yeah. We have the alert notification icon here, so that's also possible. These are the things that can be added, and I will attach this link to the description of this video, or in the description of in the readme of this file. So let's just go to the readme. Let's say, should I write it here? Contribution. Okay, let's add a section. If you wanna contribute to this project and add some features into it, here are some possible features you can add into this project. Okay, I'm gonna give the link in here, copy this, paste it here, and I think we can use this kind of syntax. Let's preview if we are correct. You can see, where is it? You can see it's clickable, so which means that's okay. And explore this application by yourself, and whatever you think is possible, clone this repo on GitHub from my, as well as you can clone it from this person as well. And also since we haven't pushed this to that person repo, now we can change this to our own. If I, let's say if I change this to Tauseed Zaman and then click on it, and it should open that in a browser. We got 2 stars, 2 forks, so you can fork it, you can add features into it and then contribute to this one as well. And you can see we have 14 commits not pushed to the main repo. So that's all about this project, and hopefully we are gonna get started with another Laravel cool, interesting open source project. You can also recommend in the comments section like which project should we choose to contribute to it here on YouTube in videos, and add some more features into it, add some suggestions like this one. So that will be cool. So yeah, thank you for sticking with me till this point, and I will see you in the next one. I will provide the link to this repo in the description below as well, so you can check it out, contribute it by yourself, read the code, how it works, and see you in the next one.